currently creating artwork that looks like the animation on your left and want to turn it into animation that looks like the one on your right? Do you want to turn your passion for drawing magical girls into full-on animation sequences? Well, now you can. Twinimation Studios is teaming up with ActivityHero to bring you an online workshop, Animate a Magical Girl Transformation. This workshop lasts from November 7th to November 18th, 2022, and will teach you how to animate your very own magical girl transformation sequence from start to finish, beginning with designing your own character and going through the entire animation process. Registration is open now, and there are 15 slots available currently. If you register from now until October 15th, you can get $50 off the full price. We'd love for you to join us and turn your passion for drawing into a possible future career in animation. We look forward to seeing you there.